Hello dear friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are going to deal with anticonvulsant or anti-epileptics. Myself, Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, Empamin Quality Assurance. Learning outcome. After watching this video, student will able to name an anticonvulsant drug according to IUPAC system, to recognize the anticonvulsant drug on the basis of their structure, physical property, and to recognize the anticonvulsant drug on the basis of their uses and official preparations. Let's start with monograph. Ethosuximide. This is the succinamide derivative. Chemistry. It is succinamide derivative. It contains pyrrolidine as a heterocycle. Two oxo groups are present at 2 and 5 position. One ethyl group and one methyl group is attached at 3 position. This is the structure of ethosuximide. It is a 5-membered ring containing one nitrogen atom, and it is a pyrrolidine heterocycle. It contains 2 oxo group at 2 and 5 position and one methyl and one ethyl group at 2 position. Therefore, chemical name is 3-ethyl 3-methyl pyrrolidine 2,5-dione or alpha-ethyl alpha-methyl succinimide. Physical property. It is white powder or waxy solid. It is odorless or characteristic odor, and it has slight bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water. Stability and storage condition. It is stable in air and light and at 37 degrees Celsius. Therefore, it should be stored in well-closed container. Uses. It is a drug of choice to treat petit mal epilepsy, that is absence seizure. Dosage form. It is available in capsule and elixir, and the brand names are Emacide and Zorontin. Then next drug is fensuximide. It is also a succinimide derivative. It differs from ethosuximide in having phenyl group instead of ethyl and hydrogen instead of methyl group at position 3 and methyl group at position 1. Physical property. It occurs as white or off-white crystalline powder which is odorless or has slight odor. It is slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Storage. It is stored in well-closed container. Uses. It is used to treat absence seizure, that is petit mal seizure, and it is also used to control severe epilepsy, particularly mixed forms of complex partial, that is psychomotor seizures. Dosage form. It is available in capsule form and brand name is Milontin. Next drug is trimethadione or troxidone. It is a oxazolidine 2,4-dione derivative. It contains oxazolidine, that is tetrahydroxazole, as a heterocycle. This is the structure of troxidone. It contains 2 oxo group at 2 and 4 position and 3 methyl group attached at 3, 5, 5 position. Chemical name is 3,5,5-trimethyl oxazolidine 2,4-dione. Physical property. It occurs as colorless granular crystals having slight camphor-like odor. It is soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. It is precipitated by barium hydroxide solution. Storage. It should be stored in tightly closed container. Uses. It is used as an anti-epileptic to treat absence, that is petit mal epilepsy. Pharmaceutical formulation. It is available in troxidone capsule, troxidone tablet, troxidone oral suspension or solution. And the brand names are Tridione and Trimidone. Then next drug is paramethadone. Chemical name 5-ethyl 3,5-dimethyl oxazolidine 2,4-dione. Property: it is clear, colorless liquid having an aromatic odor. It is sparingly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Storage: it is stored in well-closed container. Uses: it is used as an anti-epileptic to treat absence, that is petechimal seizure. Dosage form: it is available in the form of capsule and oral suspension, and the brand name is Paradione. Next drug is primidone. It is 2-deoxy analog of phenobarbital. In body, it is partially metabolized to phenobarbital. It is hexahydropyrimidine 4-dione derivative in which one ethyl and one phenyl group are present at position 5. Physical property: it is white crystalline powder which is odorless and has slight bitter taste. It is very slightly soluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. It is metabolized in the body to give phenobarbital as one of the product. Storage and stability: it is stored in well-closed container. Uses: it is used to treat tonic-clonic, that is grand mal type of epilepsy, and complex partial seizures and essential tremors. It is available in the form of tablet and oral suspension, and the brand names are Dilone and Mylepsin. Next drug is carbamazepine. It is imidodibenzyl 5-H-dibenzo-BF-azepine derivative in which carbamoyl group is present at 5 position. Thus, it is tricyclic compound with 7-membered azepine as a central ring. Physical property: it is white to yellowish white crystalline powder. It is odorless and tasteless, or it has slight bitter taste. It is very slightly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Chemical property: when it is heated with nitric acid on water bath, it gives orange-red color, and this test is used for identification of carbamazepine. Storage: it should be stored in well-closed container. Uses: it is used as an anticonvulsant for the treatment of complex partial seizures and also to treat clonic-tonic seizures, simple partial seizures. That means it is used for partial as well as generalized seizures. Then to treat pain associated with trigeminal neuralgia, also in glossopharyngeal neuralgia. To treat alcohol withdrawal syndromes or symptoms, and to treat diabetes insipidus. Dosage form: it is available in tablet and mixture form. Thank you so much for watching this video.